In this video, I will show you how to add an employee in Gusto. First, open your web browser and go to app.gusto.com, then log into your account. On the left side of the screen, click on People. Here you will see your list of employees. To add a new one, click on Add Team Member. You will be given options like Collaborator, Template, and more. But for now, just select Add Team Member. Once the form loads, start filling in the employee's details, like first name, middle initial, last name, country, and personal email. After that, click Save and Continue. Next, enter the job title and continue through the form, filling out the required information step by step. Each time, just hit Save and Continue until you're done. And that's how to add an employee in Gusto.